It's Bruce Phares here with Windermere Real Estate. It is the 3rd of December. Let's do This Week in Seattle Real Estate. We're going to take a look at the statistics that have taken place in the last week. We track everything from 145th down to Othello in Seattle, actives, pendings, etc. And if we take a look at our numbers here, let me go ahead and get the highlighter on here. The sky blue here indicates that we have a holiday going on. I always mark it that way. And last time we saw these kind of numbers were back in July for the July 4th weekend. So we will likely see a surge taking place in the next few days through the following Tuesday or Wednesday. But currently at this point, we have a total of 552 on market in that type of bedroom, bathroom configuration we just talked about. That is 1/2 of what it was back in July and June. They were over 1,000 into the 1,005 range. Same thing here for pending inspections and pendings. Those are both dropping as a result of that. But interestingly, the ratio on these is not as high as the ratio is on this on the drop. Same thing for our 6-day. We are interestingly down just below 20% in terms of our 6-day off market. Those are the faster moving properties as opposed to there are portions of the year where we were above 30%. That's a strong seller's market when we're above 30%. It is still a situation where inventory is not keeping up with demand, but demand is not driving it incendiarily as we've seen in the past. Let's take a look here. I think we just move right through to the next, and let's go take a look at month's supply of homes for sale. See if we can get this highlighted here. And we're seeing the drop that's taking place from August. In all 4 regions here that I've got here, the black is the overall region, the 145th down to Othello. The purple is the south end, that's I-90 going south. I-90, and then the yellow or orange here is the central area. And then the green is what I'll call the north region, which is Motley cut up to about 100th or so. So we just got that dropping in terms of our inventory. Our median days on market starting to jump up a little bit here for the north end section, and for the overall south end actually dropped as well as the central area. Our homes for sale inventory, understandably, the overall market has significantly dropped, 595 down to 439. Slighter drop here in the north end, 128 down to 108, and similarly slight drops in the south end and the central Seattle area. Our price per square foot right here starts showing a drop in the central area, 470 down to 463. A little bit of a rise there with the overall and the south end and also the central. Let's look at that a little bit more specifically. Median sales price right here is a crest on our lower 3 numbers. Central overall and south end. Central dropping from 780 to 760. Is that right? There's a $20,000. So we're probably at the beginning of a trend that's going to take place for a while. Our median sales price more specifically, this is I believe a 10-year look, and this is the 1-year look. And we can see that same drop right there taking place. So that is about it. We're at 3 minutes. This Week in Seattle Real Estate. Give us a call if you need to talk. 206-730-3285. Team at BruceandDonna.com. Talk to you soon. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Take care. Bye-bye.